So welcome to Tech News Friday for April 25th, 2025. So in this episode, what if you could play Xbox games without even owning the Xbox? Look like LG and Samsung baby answering the call. We definitely got to talk about it. Next, Verizon Wireless. That's right, Verizon Wireless has reported a net loss of 289 subscribers in the first quarter of 2025. Why are customers leaving Verizon Wireless? Well, I'm going to give you a no BS answer in this video. And lastly, OnePlus. That's right, OnePlus is not taking their feet off the gas pedal as the OnePlus 13T has been announced. That's what I'm talking about. So we all thought that the OnePlus 13 was the flagship killer. Well, the OnePlus 13T is the flagship murderer, right? Period. We got to talk about it. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So welcome back to Tech News Friday. So the first story on the list, why not play your favorite Xbox games without even owning an Xbox? As we know, Microsoft has Xbox Game Pass, which is amazing. I play it all the time, play games all the time. But what if you can install Game Pass on your LG or Samsung Smart TV? Well, Microsoft announced a few days ago on April 23rd that some Samsung and LG Smart TVs will have the capability to download and run Xbox Cloud Gaming. That's right. Users can pair their Bluetooth gamepad from the Xbox, grab Game Pass Ultimate subscription for about $20 a month and enjoy your favorite games. Man, look, I use Game Pass all the time and it's great. Now, of course, there's some caveats, right? We got to talk about the caveats. First, you need to have an Xbox approved controller. You also got to pay $20 a month for the subscription, and you have to have great internet connection, right? Because you have to stream. Plus, you have to have a compatible LG or Samsung Smart TV. I will leave that link of compatibility Smart TVs down in the description below. So tell me your thoughts. Are you okay with saving some money, not buying the Xbox, not buying games? Or your $20 a month for subscriptions and with the unlimited cloud gaming, because this is cloud gaming. Let me know down in the comments below, which one will you prefer, buying the physical game or paying $20 a month on your huge LG TV and just live stream it? What are thoughts? Well, look like choice and price is a big factor to most people as Verizon Wireless first quarter 2025 results are in, and there are bleeding customers, losing 289,000 customers to either T-Mobile, which had a net gain, AT&T, which had a net gain. It's hard to believe AT&T, or some other companies like Visible or Mint Mobile. Look, I understand we have an unstable economy, right? But price is everything. Verizon Wireless increased their prices from $60 to $68 a month for 4 or more lines. I believe that's the breaking point to most people, right? Remember, price is everything. When companies like Mint Mobile, $15 a month with a stable network, and I've been using Mint Mobile for, almost a year, and Visible, which is under the umbrella of Verizon Wireless, which is $25 a month, and Boost Mobile, another company, $25 a month. So I believe people are tired of paying these high-ass bills. But look like Verizon Wireless is coming up with some stuff to try to gain more consumers by price lock guarantees, to try to gain more customers. We got to wait and see. But price is everything, and these companies starting to F around and find out. What wireless company are you using? And what prices are you paying for your wireless service? Let me know down in the comments below. Man, stuff is high. And lastly, breaking news. Look, one of the reasons why I absolutely love OnePlus is because they are good with almost no compromises. Plus, you get chargers in the box. Well, OnePlus is not playing around because they just announced one of the flagship killers of 2025, the OnePlus 13T, and it's a monster of a device. 6.32-inch AMOLED 120Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with up to 16 gigs of RAM, up to 1 terabyte of storage, a new design, 2 cameras on the back, 50 megapixel primary, 50 megapixel telephoto, and a 16 megapixel front camera. Now, the OnePlus 13T has a huge 6260 milliamp battery with 80-watt charging. That's what I'm talking about. IP65 rating, Android 15 to boot. That makes this flagship a true flagship at a price under $500 when you convert it from China currency to the US currency. It's mind-blowing. Under $500. I'm hype about it, right? Look, the unfortunate news is that the OnePlus 13T, right, is probably not coming to the United States because we effed up right now, right? Maybe later on in the year, but it rolled out in China. And yes, you can import it at a cost of about $599. I've seen it on GearStop, which I will leave that link down in the description below. But it's not available on OnePlus website here in the United States. But still, at $599 is really good price for this device. I will leave links down in the description below. But let me know your thoughts, right? OnePlus is not letting their foot off the gas pedal, and I'm loving it. You got the OnePlus 13, fantastic device. You got the OnePlus 13R, probably a flagship of its own. Now you got the OnePlus 13T, which is a flagship killer at a under $500 price in China currency compared to the US currency. Man, that's what I'm talking about. I love OnePlus. And look, the OnePlus 12 was my phone of the year of 2024. And I'm still rocking it today as a daily driver, along with other devices. I really love what OnePlus is doing. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Are you excited about the OnePlus 13T? I want to know your thoughts. Look, if you want to see more Tech News Friday, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about Tech News Friday in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.